Bienvenue guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing some cacao tea. And in here I have some of the ingredients that I will be using, and here I have nutmeg. This one is one that I started grating already. We have spice, that's what we call it in Dominica, or cinnamon sticks. I have bay leaves, I have the star anise, and of course the cocoa sticks. Now back here I have evaporated milk, and back here I have homemade vanilla extract. Now this may not be the conventional way of making it, but I do like to thicken my cocoa tea just a bit, and I use the bird's custard powder to achieve that. Now if you do not like your cocoa tea just a little bit thick, you can omit this part. Now of course I will be using sugar. Some people use condensed milk as their sweetener. I rather using brown sugar. So let's get started with the recipe. So first I'm going to start by grating the cocoa sticks. I'll be using this small grater that I have. Now traditionally we have the standing one that has about 4 different parts, but I will be using this small one today. So the cacao is finely grated, as you guys can see. And now we're going to start to actually make our cacao tea. So the first thing I'm going to do is to boil some water, and I'm going to add some cinnamon sticks, bay leaves, and nutmeg in there as well. I'm going to grate the nutmeg and I'll be right back. So for this recipe, I'll be using a piece of this bark. And now I'm just going to grate some nutmeg. I'm putting in some star anise. And I'm also going to be adding some bay leaves, and this is the brand that I get them in. So when making my cocoa tea, what I like to do is I like my spice and my nutmeg and the bay leaf. I like everything to boil. And I like the water to start turning kind of brown, just to show that the spice has really incorporated with it. Now, once the water has started to take on more of that color of the cinnamon stick or spice, that's when I go in with my grated cacao. Let that boil for a bit, and then we go in with the milk. And now we're gonna start going in with that cacao. And next I will be adding just a little bit of that custard powder to my milk. And again, I'm using evaporated milk for this recipe. And in goes that milk. So this is what I speak of when I say a little bit thicker. So you guys can see it does not really change the consistency that much. I just like it a little bit thicker than regular. That is what this is. And now I'm just going to sweeten it up with some brown sugar. And finally, just a little bit of that homemade extract. And my cocoa tea is all done, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned into the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye. And this is my breakfast today. Here I have a piece of red fish. I have some fried breadfruit and some cucumber. And here is my cacao tea. Get into this cup, guys. Get into this cup. Now, I got this on my last vacation back home in July of this year. And I got this in Picard at an area they call the Shacks. And there's this lady who sells souvenirs. So I got this from there. It has a small spoon that is attached right here. And at this time, I'm about to dig in, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.